want to do a quick video on the Bunn Ultra 2s, just to understand the display here. So when you see the little hash there, it means the solenoid is off. When it's a big black square, it means solenoid is energized at 120 volts. Okay? This is the temperature. So let's see degrees. This is the HD. Okay? That temperature right there that goes back and forth is the temperature of the barrel. When you see fan and CMP, compressor and condenser fan, all caps means it's operating, and if it is in lowercase, it means it's not operating, it's off. So take the side panel off. On the left hand side you'll see two solenoids. These are the solenoids for the refrigeration system. And the one on the left is obviously for the left barrel, the right is for the right barrel. You'll, from the board control, you'll get 120 volts when it's energized. Okay, so that does correlate when it has power, when it's energized. You'll see on the display, of the digital display, the large rectangular box. Okay. Also, when the system is satisfied, it's de-energized, these solenoids will still have power on it, opening. And what it does is allows for the refrigeration circuit to equalize. Because it is a cap tube, it's a cap tube system, it has to equalize during all cycles. So then when it does turn on, it's less issues. That's part of the program. You see here, just double check, the left barrel, the solenoid is open, compressor is operating, so this left barrel is in cool mode, bringing the temperature down. Same with the right side. These will cycle off and on according to their home temperatures. So we just saw there, the right barrel has, the solenoid is now closed because it's met its set point temperature. My left barrel is still operating, and when it reaches its set point, the solenoid will shut. So it's just a cycle of back and forth. That's how it controls cooling at different coils.